everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to make a Discord server rules-based membership screening. So let's begin. First, go ahead and open your Discord. I think it will be better if you do it on PC, but I'll just tell you how to do it so you can follow along. So what you're going to do is go to your server. After going to your server, go to your server settings. After going to your server settings, you go and see here there's in community, there is enable community. Go get started. So after enabling that, what you need to do, you need to verify your emails and scan messages sent by all the members. Next, you need to go to rules and create one for me is fine. And create one for me. Now next, after doing that, what you're going to do is enable this all and agree. Here we go. This is the final setup and you have done it. After doing that, what you're going to do is go ahead and go to discovery. You can see here members. So yeah, in your PC, you will see membership screening. So in membership screening, what you're going to do is you write your rules, write your descriptions, and then after you get started. And yeah, go ahead and write the rules. Writing the rules, then after you can send it and submit it and you're done. You can easily write your rules page for membership screening. Thank you so much for watching.